Hello my friends, this is Mario. Welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I'm making a short video about dust extraction system in my workshop, as I promised some of you from the comments. So this video will be about my primary dust extractor, secondary dust extractor, air filter and air vent that goes out from my workshop. So if you are working with wood in your workshop and you are concerning about the air quality in your workshop, I have the budget options that I will describe in this video with my own words, no script, no anything. This will be a simple video. If you are interested into making your workspace more healthier, then I recommend watching this video. Let's go! So this is my workshop with view on the front door. It's a very small workshop. It's, I believe, a width of 2.5 meters by 5 meters in length, and this is my main air filter. It's from company Record Power. It's AC400 and has two filters. Outer filter is 5 microns and the inner filter is 1 micron. This is the view from the front door, and I planned this workshop for months, so the airflow should be the most efficient in a way of controlling the dust to be reduced from the working space. This is a outer ventilator or outer vent that should suck out the fumes and possibly the rest dust out. It's a simple bathroom filter or air vent that just sucks the air from inside and pushes it out. The main plan for these workshops was so that the light dust producing machines are positioned in the back and the most dust producing machines are in the front. The big hose is to be connected to the planer. It's Metabo DH330 and it may produce the small particles when planing, but mostly the big chips or big chunks of wood or bigger than dust. So when it is connected to the big hose, it goes into the filter with 2 filter system, and the rest of the what may go out from the filter is going outside through the bathroom vent. Then I have a smaller hose that is connected to the circular saw, and this is connected via tube into the dust extractor, or this is Kercher WD3. It's very simple. It has not paper bag, but it goes directly into the small particle filter that I ordered from website Allegro. So the dust, all the residual dust that comes from Kercher WD3 is sucked via the AC400 air filter, which is the green one, big, and even more smaller residual parts will go outside through the bathroom vent. The big hose goes under the table to the WD3. Kercher goes also the hose when I'm sanding, and I'm connecting this to desk sander from Parkside and also to Yato orbital sander, which is practically the copycat of Mirka or Festool orbital sander. To the WD3 from Kercher Hoover, I am also connecting the table saw from DeWalt, which is 7492, I believe. So for every part of the jobs that I do, alongside all this, I am still using either a full mask air filter with 3M filters, or I am using just the half phase mask that has also the 3M filters. The Metabo DH330 is connected in the back, goes, as I said, through that big hose. That big hose goes under the table via big, I believe that are 12 centimeters in diameter tubes, and these tubes are connected to the Parkside chip extractor, which has additionally mounted a Holtzmann filter that is on the top. The Holtzmann filter has, I'm not sure what kind of type filter, but it is this it is dedicated to filtering small particles. When the filter is dirty and I usually cannot clean it from inside, I have the lever which is on the top, and it brushes the filter from inside, and the small particles that are residued on the filter from inside just fall down into the bag under the dust extractor. Now I'm just going to show you the first stage filter, which I described in the beginning. This is the outer filter. You can clean it by reversing the air flow from the Kercher WD-3 and just dust it out when you are outside. And this is the inside extremely small particle filter. You just secure it with latches, and all that goes out through that bathroom vent. So this is how I clean my air in the workshop. It's quite efficient, and I recommend using these products. Some of them are not very expensive, some of them are medium expensive, so it is a good investment if you want to work in a safe environment. It is definitely worth investing some of the money for making your workspace more healthier. I hope that this video helped you, and if, consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video. I also encourage you to watch the videos of unboxing, reviews and improvement of the air filters that I mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching, we see you soon, and ciao my friends.